welcome back to my channel. My name is Shauna the MUA, if this is your first time here. Today I am just going to be giving you a few products that I've grown to love, that I recently tried, like literally in this makeup or before. And it's just a few products. If you haven't already, check out my previous videos. I did do reviews on other products that I've tried throughout this whole quarantine. You know, 2020 has definitely been a rough year, just like 2019 for me. And you know, I felt like this was the year for people to really hone in on their crafts, create businesses, create something for themselves, and get that going, because a lot of people did lose their jobs and still aren't working. So definitely this was the year of creativity, really investing in yourself, really taking the time to figure out what you want and where you want to be. So 2021, I have no doubt, full force, on the gas. We're going to get this money, we're going to get this content, we're going to build up ourselves and our businesses. And yeah, so enough rambling, keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. So stay tuned. So first up is the Dior Backstage palette. Don't mind this one. This one broke when they were delivering it to me. I did get another one. This one is the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and this one is in Copper Gold, which is number 5. You guys, if you don't own the Dior Backstage palette, like, you're missing out. Like, I'm a queen of highlighter, and when I tell you this gives such a nice glow, as you can see on my face right now, you know, it is a little bit steep in pricing. It ranged for $44, so you do have to catch Sephora when they do have their 20% off or 15% off, so that you can get a discount on this palette. I guarantee you it's totally worth it, especially if you are into highlighters and you love to glow like I do. So definitely put this on your go-to list for 2021. Or for 2020. I'm not sure when I'll have this video up, but definitely check out the Dior Backstage palette. Another fave that I recently tried is the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette. This blush palette, I think, retails for, I think, $9, which isn't bad. You get 4 blushes and they're very neutral toned, so if you're my complexion or darker, I feel like these shades will work for you. Even medium tone if you're a little bit lighter than me. You have some bronzier shades, and then you have pinker tones, which I am wearing one of the blushes now, which is this one right here. I mean, you really can't go wrong with trying out a product that is $9. You know, e.l.f. do have some pretty good products. One of my faves is the lip plumpers from them. I've been using that for a while. I use it in my kit, and I just love the colors. I love the payoff. Definitely check out e.l.f. Cosmetics and check out their blush palette. One thing that I was supposed to try out today was the e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer. I've heard mixed reviews on this, so I'm going to keep you posted on this one. I haven't tried it out yet. I forgot to use it with this makeup today. So the next product is the Pat McGrath. I'm pretty sure you guys seen a few of these videos with the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. You guys, this is definitely a go-to palette for me, because look at all the tones that you have. Like, there's so many neutral tones in this palette. Even colorful shades, you could just mix it around and make it an everyday look. You could amp it up with some color. I really love this palette, and I paid $75 for it. This was my first Pat McGrath palette, and I'm not disappointed. She would definitely be getting my coins, you know, in the future, as long as she creates some palettes that are more affordable, because, you know, I don't know about paying $125 for a palette now. That one I'm gonna have to see about. The next 2020 fave is my girl Juvia's Place. Like, honestly, these lip pencils and the lipsticks, this was like my favorite collection from her. Like, I own a lot of the Juvia's Place palettes, like her palettes are so pigmented, so that I definitely love. And I love these lip products that she's been coming out with. I love the lip liners. I think they're like $12. The lipsticks are $14. And let's not forget about the glosses. So I do have a few of her glosses. As you can see, I love nude tones. I love the pinks as a nude shade. I love the browns. Like, this legit is the best investment as her lip products. Seriously, you have to get them, especially when she has the sales. So definitely don't miss out on this. This is one of my 2020 faves. Another product is the Maybelline hyaluronic acid lip gloss. These are very similar to, it's been compared to the Fenty gloss. If you get the shimmer one, I forgot what shade that is, but this one is actually comparable to the Juvia's Place. Also, I believe it's somewhat similar to the Kylie Cosmetics as well lip gloss. It's very shiny, it's very moisturizing. I really love it, and I believe this retails for like $11 or $12. I could be wrong, it might be $9. It's a little bit, it's like $9, somewhere around there, but it's definitely such a beautiful formula, a beautiful gloss. Definitely check this out as well. This is one of my faves. I love lip glosses. I rarely wear my lips matte. I just love a shine on my lips. So you know me, I love glosses, so that's that. Another fave is, this one is the Nabla lip plumper. You guys, if you have not tried this lip plumper, you're definitely missing out. But I must warn you, it does tingle quite a bit, but it works. Like, I can honestly say that it does work. It makes your lips a little bit plumper. I'm not wearing it today, but I did try this out a few times, and the tingle is a little bit intense, but it get the job done. Okay, this one retails for $20 at Morphe, or you could buy it on their website. This one's a go-to as well. Another go-to for 2020, well, I think I already spoke about the NARS. The only other new product that I tried was the Milk Cosmetic Hydro Grip Set. And I must say, I do like this, especially if you're very matte and you want to hydrate your skin, you want to bring back a little bit of glow to your skin. I would definitely recommend to spray yourself with this. And you know, with any setting spray, I haven't had any faults with my makeup where it lasts a long time. Between this, my Morphe setting spray, my Glow Recipe, which is also another hydrating setting spray. But I really do like this. This one retails for, I think, $30 as well at Sephora. You know, you gotta catch these things when it's on sale, and that way it don't hurt your pockets as much. So this was just a quick little video. I just wanted to incorporate some new products that I recently tried, and those are my top faves for 2020. You could look back at some of my other videos where I did review some other new products, including the Pat McGrath Celestial palette, and check out some more of my reviews. The plan for 2021 is to go ahead and upload more videos. You know, be sure to subscribe to my content. I appreciate your support so far, and 2021 is going to be an amazing year. I could feel it. I could feel it. So see you guys in 2021. Bye.